Are you on the pursuit for a dream property? Well, look no further. Welcome to E9191 Manske Road, New London. Featuring 29.43 acres with 20 plus fence for pasture. This property is an absolute paradise for all you horse lovers. Store all your equipment in the 92 by 104 foot pole building, also featuring a 72 by 104 foot indoor riding arena, 6 stalls, 3 exterior lean-tos, foaling stall, 2 tack rooms, and a utility room. For your living needs, there is a 14 by 65 foot mobile home in excellent condition, along with a 30 by 40 foot garage, also with a living space. No need to go to the lake when you have 2 ponds stocked full of slab, bluegill, and largemouth bass. Don't forget the Artesian Well. Only a stone throws away from local conveniences, but nestled out in the country. You'll find so much opportunity in this property. This beautiful country paradise won't last long on today's market. Don't miss out on this property of a lifetime. Contact us today for your showing.